Bloody good hello, you slags. It's me, British Albert. I know, you probably missed me. My years of absence have gone noticed. But not to worry, I'm bloody back. It's true. Look at this mug here. Yeah? Chip-thieving bastard. It's a seagull. Now I'm here simply to complain, because that's what I do. I'm British, and I like complaining. Seagulls are bastards. This tea is delicious. And quenches my thirst. However, my disdain for seagulls cannot truly be measured by a mug. You see, for a good while back in the 80s, I lived in the seaside. Not in the seaside, of course, at the seaside. Morecambe. I lived there for 4 years, and for the full 4 years I was there, the seagull infestation was rife. Back then, it was quite illegal to get your shotgun and shoot the bastards dead, killed. And then take them home, pluck them, skin them, all of them, cook them, eat them. That was when Britain was good. Britain is no longer good, and killing a seagull, or even hitting a seagull, get you a hefty fine, prison sentences. Disgusting, I say, to protect a rat with wings. With wings, I say. To protect it, when all it wants to do is take the delicious food you've worked hard to gain the money. You give the money to the man, and the man gives you the food. The seagull, it just steals it. It's like, cool. Delicious. I'll take that home for the children. What about my children? Frail Franny and I, we built children together as a team. That's a lie, we didn't. Never had children, never wanted children. Regret nothing. However, if I did have children, seagulls would concern me yet more. Which is saying a lot, because of how much seagulls truly concern me. Excuse me, darlings. I'm parched. To put it brief, as my good friend, Brother Haywood would, I'll simply end with my personal take. I think, scratch that, I know that we should simply go back to the times of killing seagulls. Yes, cool, I'll have that, take it home. No, you won't. Pull out your old pistol, bang, service revolver to the face. Don't stand much of that, I tell you. Straight into your pie. They steal your chips, but your chips merely fatten them for your dinner. That is the complaints of British Albert. Cheerio!